2023 19-foot mako that we're going to put new floor in and new floor and maybe new motor. But wait, I'm gonna take the what's it called? Bow rail off, and yeah, get down. It's a little scratched up on the sides, but it got can't get that. It has the 140 horsepower Mercury motor in the back, and we're gonna start working on it. First things first, get this off. So I got a little mount on that I hook my phone onto here. There we go. Well, it's very loose. Put the screws in my pocket. And I'm gonna go in the time lapse, so I'll be back. So I just broke one of the drill bits off trying to get a rivet out. And I got 2 more to do. So I'll be back when I get this other bow rail off, because I got that one off. So we got the bow rails off. They're down there. And now we gotta get this off and where the seats are. I gotta scrape the paint away and get the screws off. So I'll be back when either the seat is gone or the console. One of those two. We don't know. So we got most of the stuff off the dash. We got the steering wheel down there and the gas tank, which was here. But we just gotta get the throttle off and disconnect everything from the motor. But for the most part, we got pretty much done so far. We have the batteries disconnected, and yeah, so I'll give you an update either today when we're done or tomorrow when we start. So, see ya. So we got the console moved up, then we got the floor lifted up where the gas tank is, and then all of the wires that were in the console. So we're ripping out the phone, and look at all the water. Get it up. You should the one, just rip it up. Here, hammer. Look at all that. And the whole boat is like that. So, it really needed it. We ripped up another piece and just a puddle down. So we got all of the floor out, and then most of the foam. We just got to do a little bit and under the box, and then get that out. That's all gone. And then after that, rip the wood or the floor out, and then take the front foam out, and then redo all the flooring, and then all the electronics and all that stuff. But it's looking pretty good so far. So, and we got a new motor for it from my neighbor already. So, yep. So I'll update you again in a little bit. So we got all the foam ripped out finally, and we have 17 big trash bags full of it. But get all the floor and foam ripped out that we're going to. So now we gotta clean all the little pieces up and then start with the new floor. Okay, so we got most of the framing done, and we got the hatches in. Well, the back one, we're putting the front one in, but we got all that in and the gas tank back in, and now we just gotta do the front part. So, yeah. We got all the floors in fiberglass, and then we got the, what are they called, hatches in for the bottom, like back here. There's bilge pumps and everything. Then we got one up front, and then we got those two ones at the gas tanks. And now I'm just sanding around, sanding all the extra epoxy off the sides and stuff, but it's looking good.